When I'm looking for a new Android phone, Samsung's Galaxy S series always catches my eye. It's one of the longest-running smartphone lines, just like the iPhone, and has a great reputation for high-quality hardware and features. For budget-conscious shoppers like me, the Fan Edition line is also interesting. Right now, the choice is between the Galaxy S25 and the S24 Fan Edition. Before we begin, let me share some great news. Samsung is offering some incredible pre-order deals for the Galaxy S25. You can get up to $700 in trade-in value, an instant $100 Samsung credit for storage upgrades or add-ons, and an extra $50 credit if you use the special link in the description. To claim the bonus credit, make sure to place your order within 30 minutes of clicking the link. The Galaxy S25 and S24 Fan Edition are launching just a few months apart, so they have many similarities. But the small details make a big difference. I've been upgrading phones almost every year for the past 10 years, so I know what to look for when choosing between these two models. The Galaxy S25 is one of the first phones in 2025 packed with the latest technology. It has Qualcomm's newest Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and improved camera hardware, making it perfect for tech enthusiasts. There's a small concern about the chip getting warm, but Samsung might have solved this with a larger cooling system. The S24 Fan Edition isn't old or outdated, but it's slightly behind in some areas. The main difference is the processor. It uses Samsung's Exynos 2400 chip, which is one generation behind. While it won't be as good for gaming, it's still great for everyday tasks and multitasking. Samsung has increased the RAM on the S25 to 12 gigs compared to 8 gigs on the S24 Fan Edition. This is important because of the growing use of AI features that need more memory. Most AI features will work on both phones, but the S25 has more room for future updates. One big difference is the screen size. The S25 has a compact 6.2-inch display, while the S24 Fan Edition has a larger 6.7-inch screen. Some people prefer smaller phones, while others like larger screens. Your personal preference will matter a lot in choosing between these models. The S24 Fan Edition is heavier because it's made with less premium materials. It weighs 23 grams more than the similarly sized S25 Plus. The glass is also different. The S24 Fan Edition uses an older Gorilla Glass, while the S25 has the newest version. Despite its lower price, the S24 Fan Edition is still an excellent phone. It has many flagship features like eSIM water resistance, 7 years of software updates, and Samsung DeX support. It really offers great value for its price. The camera is another strong point for the S24 Fan Edition. It has the same triple camera setup as the flagship models, including a zoom lens. While it won't take exactly the same quality photos as the S25, it's more than good enough for everyday pictures and social media. Price is a major advantage for the S24 Fan Edition. While Samsung lists it at $649, it often goes on sale for as low as $500. Compared to the S25's $799 price, that's a significant saving of $250. As a power user, I can justify the S25's higher price. The final recommendation depends on your needs. Choose S25 for top performance and a compact phone. Choose S24 Fan Edition for great features at a lower price. Consider S25 Plus for the most comprehensive experience. Expect similar software across both. Flagship models tend to have better resale value. Which Samsung phone would you rather buy? Comment below. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.